Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice.
So much fun.
How much does a polar bear weigh?
Enough to break the
Enough to break the ice!
Oh my god, it's
Unbuckle it for you?
broken! No, don't unbuckle. I'm hold on to this in case this flies off.
Oh. Not quite.
Welcome back. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker